Hello children, today in science subject we are going to learn a new chapter which is about paws and wings. Here open your textbook page number 159 unit 2. In the last class we have learned the magical seeds and the story of food. I hope all have completed your workbook of first chapter. Now we are going to study about science second chapter, paws and wings. Okay, tell me children, what do you mean by paws and wings? Do you know? What do you mean by paws and wings? Yes, I will tell you. Paws means an animal's foot having claws and pads, and wings means a modified forelimb that bears large feathers is used for flying. Okay, now we see a first part, the magnificent animal kingdom. What do you mean by animal kingdom, children? What do you mean by animal kingdom? The animal kingdom, animals as one of the groups that all natural things can be divided into. For example, chimpanzees are one of the closest human relatives in the animal kingdom, and the whale has the largest brain in the animal kingdom. Okay, see here, animals have been found even in places where we human beings cannot even think of living. Yes or no? Yes, leave alone surviving for 24 hours. For the slopes of the highest mountains to the see here, these are mountains, highest mountains to the depths of the deepest ocean. From the hot, dry, arid deserts to rainforests where it rains continuously. Animals not only survive but they breed and thrive. Okay, next, like us, animals are living things. They too need food, shelter and adequate body covering to protect themselves from the harsh weather conditions. They also need to breathe. Yes or no, children? Yes, animals also need to breathe. Animals need to breathe to get oxygen. Oxygen burns the food within their bodies and release energy for various activities. Animals get their supply of oxygen from their surroundings. Land animals breathe in oxygen from the air, while fish and other aquatic animals take oxygen from water. Okay, children, next, from the biggest to the tiniest microscopic creatures, animals have adapted beautifully to thrive in their respective habitats in a lot of interesting ways. Okay, children, what is habitat? Do you know? What is habitat? Habitat. What is habitats? Explain the habitat meaning. What is habitat? And name the different habitats on earth. The natural home of an animal where it lives, eats and reproduces is known as its habitat. The natural home of an animal The natural home of an animal where it lives, eats and reproduces is known as its habitat. The different habitats on earth are ice polar regions, the dense forests, and the arid deserts. Fresh water or salt water on the surface, in deep waters or on the ocean or river bed. These are different habitats on earth. Okay, be it their body covering. Habitats, their body coverings, body size, placement of eyes, breathing and feeding organs, kinds of feet and etc. The animals have it all. The natural home or surroundings of an animal where it lives, eats, grows and has babies is called its habitat. The large animal kingdom consists of different types of animals. Their organ of breathing, feeding and movement are suited to their habitats. Okay children, understood what do you mean by habitats? The natural home of an animal where it lives, eats and reproduces is known as its habitat. Okay. Next, see here, colorful birds are there in this chapter. All birds have feathers. All birds have feathers. Feathers keep the birds. All feathers keep all birds warm and protect them in different weather conditions, including strong winds and rain. Together with wings, tail, feathers help them in their flight. Some of the birds have special feathers to attract mates. In some birds, the feathers provide necessary camouflage. Birds spend a lot of time cleaning their feathers with their beaks. See here. Sorry. See here. These are birds' beaks. Swan has the most feathers among birds. See here. The forelimb of a bird are in the form of wings which help it to fly. The wings have feathers. The wings are attached to, see here, wings. These are wings, birds' wings. The wings are attached to the breastbone. See here, breastbone. This is breastbone of the bird with the help of strong muscles. These muscles enable the bird to flap its wings and to fly. When a bird lands after a flight, it uses its hind limbs. It also uses them to walk, run, hop and perch. The hind limbs are also used to scratch the ground, catch prey, attack enemies. Though all birds have wings, some are unable to fly because their wings are too weak for flying. The emu, the ostrich, the rhea, the penguin and the kiwi. See here, the penguin and the kiwi are flightless birds. Okay, understood children? Yes. Body coverings. Each kind of animals has a specific type of body covering. This covering enables the animal to adapt to its particular habitat. Birds have feathers. Fish and Reptiles have scales. Some animals have fur, hair and wool. For example, sheep have wool, no? Yes, some animals have cells. Okay. Next. See here. These are cells. Some soft-bodied animals have a hard outer covering called a cell. What is that? Some soft bodies. See here. Some soft bodies animals have a hard outer covering. See here. Turtle have hard outer covering called a shell, which is mainly a defense mechanism. They hide in their cells whenever they sense danger. They fold they fold their heads. See here. Turtle fold their heads, legs and tails into the cells. And also snail also. Beetles and cockroaches also have a cell covering for protection. Although their cells are not as hard and neither does it allow them to hide. See here, most crabs have their own shell. See here, hermit crabs live in cells discarded by other creatures. Okay, these all are have cells. Okay, next. Protecting oneself from predators, animals and other habitat hazards as in thorns, shrubby bushes and stones etc. is a primary need of all animals. Next, fish and reptiles have a body. Fish and reptiles have bodies that are covered with scales. See here. These all are reptiles and fishes. Scales act as a protective layer as they are mostly made of keratin or bones. See here, lizard, crocodiles, turtles and tortoises are reptiles. They have a dry scaly skin. See here, they have dry scaly skin and lay soft celled eggs. These all are lay soft celled eggs on land. Though they have limbs, they crawl. For example, snake, crocodile. Okay, they have limbs. They crawl. Snakes are reptiles. Snakes are reptiles. They do not have legs. See here. Snakes do not have legs. They have scales. These are scale. This is scale, snake scale. They have scales or plates on the underside of their bodies. Here, this is underside of the snake body. These plates are attached to their ribs. When snakes move, these plates act like feet. The feet and the ribs act like legs. Besides plates, they have strong muscles and flexible backbone which helps them to move forward. Okay. All. Next, see here. Fishes are there. Fish have fins for swimming. Yes or no? Fish have fins for swimming. The two paired fins are used to move forward. See here. These are fish fins. The unpaired fin maintains balance and the tail fin helps to change the direction of movement. Turtles have 4 feather-like limbs to push water back and to swim. Penguins use their 2 forelimbs as flippers to push water and to swim. Frogs have webbed feet to swim, but when on land, they jump with the help of their long hind legs. Okay, children? The snakes. See here. Observe and answer. Observe a few birds. They have scales on their legs. Find out how the scales help the birds. Okay. Birds have scales on their legs. See here. Birds have scales on their legs as their feet need to clutch on to things, and the scales are though touch enough to withstand the wood and tree branches. They must constantly cling to. Okay. Next. Okay, next. Animals that live in severely cold regions have a thick layer of fur for protection. What is fur, children? Tell me. Yes, this is fur. All know most animals have fur. Most mammals have hair all over their bodies. In some, this hair is called fur. What do you mean by fur, children? In some, most mammals have hair all over their bodies. In some, this hair is called fur. See here, these animals have fur, no? See here. Fur traps air next to the animal's body, thus helping the animal retains its body heat. More fur means more insulation. Animals that do not hibernate or migrate in the winters grow a new coat of fur or increase the density of their fur coats. See here. These animals have fur coats. Walruses and seals. Walruses and seals have a thick layer of blubber body fat under their thick skin, which provides them insulation in the freezing waters. Here, for example, lemming, Arctic fox, winter coat, Arctic hare, summer coat, Arctic fox, winter coat, Arctic hare. Next, lemming, mountain goats. Here, this is mountain goat, golden jackal, this is golden jackal, this is mink. Okay, skin is the most important protective organ against the outside world. We also have soft skin, no children? Yes, animals also have some different kinds of skins. Unlike most animals, amphibians have a very thin skin. See here, these all are amphibians, as they stay both on land and in water. Amphibians, they stay both on land and in water. They breathe through their moist skin when on land. Frogs and toads develop lungs as they become adults but they do take in additional oxygen through their skin. Frogs develop as they become adults but they do take in additional oxygen through their skins. Some species of salamanders breathe only through their skins. They have neither lungs nor gills. See here. The skin of amphibians feels slippery as glands just below the surface secrete mucus which keeps their skin soft and moist. The amphibians have soft and moist skin. As they are cold-blooded and cannot regulate their body temperature, the moist skin helps their body from becoming too hot or too cold. Okay, they also have poison glands on their skin to ward off predators. The American poison dart frog is extremely poisonous to touch. Okay. Okay, children. We will continue next class. And in this chapter, some difficult words are there. You have underlined that difficult words. Okay. Okay. Take care. Bye.